How to use Mint app or software or the website to track your monthly expenses, that how you monthly spend, how much you spend, or what is the mode of the expenditure, how you can simply get all the details just in one application, that is Mint tracking for you. In this software, you can simply track all of your expenses that you're doing right now away from out of your phone, out of your bank account. You can simply get all the expense here, and you can save a track of your earnings, you can save a track of your expenditures, and you can finally save money and then invest it. Now, this is the homepage of the Mint website, that is mint.intuit.com. You can go to it or you can download the application if it's available in your country. Now, click on this option called Check It Out. Here, you will be an option of login or sign up on the right top of the screen. You can simply see that this is your account and this is how it will show you your net worth. It will show you all the things that is related to your expense, your expenditure, May spending, and month wise keep tabs on your money in your one place. So you can see your growth growing well, track your money statistics and how your wealth grows, see your financial standing, and make choices confidently. Now, to sign up, you simply have to click this option called Sign Up Now and sign in with your email address or a password. You can also download the application by clicking on the top of it, as you will be able to see that download option available on the top, so you can download it as well. This is how you can exactly do it. Thank you so much for watching this video.